Just in time for Thanksgiving, we are expecting snow across Colorado, with the high country looking to see the most accumulations, 1 to 3 feet possible in a lot of our mountain areas. Winter storm warnings are in place for a lot of the high country. They went into effect overnight Tuesday and will remain in place through Wednesday evening. We also have winter weather advisories for the foothills. That includes the Palmer Divide communities as well. Neighborhoods above about 6,000 feet in the Front Range can expect 4 to 8 inches of snow heading into Wednesday. As far as satellite and radar taking us into the start of the day Tuesday, starting to see that snow really pile up, and snow will continue up into the high country as we head through the next couple days, with the worst of the snow, or I should say the most snow, falling this afternoon and into Wednesday. As far as high temperatures in the high country, upper 30s, low 40s expected there. Also seeing some breezy conditions. So if you are trying to get up to the mountains today or tomorrow, be really careful out there and pay very close attention to the road conditions, because they will only deteriorate as we head into Wednesday. As far as the Denver area, staying dry throughout most of the day on Tuesday as temperatures climb into the upper 40s, low 50s. Futurecast will illustrate what we're talking about. Along and east of I-25, not a lot happening for today. The high country again continuing to see the snow, and it will not let up. All day Tuesday seeing that snowfall. Overnight Tuesday into Wednesday we'll continue to see that snow, and late Tuesday night into early Wednesday, that's when some of that moisture will start to filter down into the lower elevations. We're talking a rain snow mix late Tuesday into early Wednesday before that transitions over into more snow by Wednesday morning, and we have the potential of starting to pick up some of those accumulations here in Denver. It all tracks out off towards the south and east as we head through the day on Wednesday, and by Wednesday evening likely to see some clearing conditions. That said, we'll also see some slick roads going into the start of the day on Thursday because of that snowfall. So for Tuesday, again, the high country picking up the accumulations. By Tuesday evening into Denver, nothing happening as far as that snow is concerned. As we head Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning, this brings us to about Wednesday at 8, we're starting to see that accumulation pick up. So if you have a flight that you're catching tomorrow morning, DIA doesn't look terrible. We're talking a trace to maybe 3 inches of snow across a lot of our Denver neighborhoods. You head into northern Colorado, maybe as much as 2 inches of snow. So the airport, not going to see the worst of it. Now, Palmer Divide neighborhoods, again, above 6,000 feet up into the foothills, that's where we could pick up some more accumulation. 4 to 8, certainly not out of the question. Some isolated areas could pick up as much as 10 inches of snow. That will be something you'll want to watch going into the day tomorrow. That is why we have a first alert weather day. The high country picking up a lot with some isolated areas as much as 3 feet. Into the Denver metro, we're looking at that 1 to 4 sloppy, slushy accumulating snow, and then colder temperatures tomorrow and through Thursday. So by Thursday morning, likely to wake up to some freezing conditions, which could result in some slick spots, some icy roads out there. So if you're traveling Thursday morning, we'll want to watch the road conditions heading out the door on Thursday. First alert weather day for Wednesday. After a mild day on Tuesday, we are cold. Temperatures sliding into the 30s and 40s into the weekend. If you're doing any Black Friday shopping on Friday, it's going to be quite chilly. Good news is by Thanksgiving, we'll see clear conditions, so we won't be actively seeing that snowfall, but temperatures are just not going to warm up much, and we stay cooler than average going into next week. After Wednesday, we will look at dry weather, however, dominating our extended forecast. We just have some colder than average temperatures in our future.